Hey everyone, today we're doing a quick video highlighting embedded apps in Pluto. So from my workspace or anywhere in Pluto here, I can see this apps area on the left side navigation. And this is really where your team can add custom-built apps, in-house apps such as Shiny apps, or really link out or bookmark to other platforms that your team is already using so that you really have this seamless integrated experience in Pluto and you aren't having to go to multiple different locations or software platforms or websites to really access the tools that you need. So I went over here to our app section. You can see that I already have a few different apps loaded in this particular workspace. We're going to add a new app here for demonstration purposes. To add an app, I'm just going to click this Add App button, and I'll first give this a name. So this might be a Shiny app or other website that I'm wanting to bookmark. I'm going to give mine an informative name and just call it my Python to Shiny Converter app. And I'll paste in a URL for that app. In this case, this will be a Shiny app that's hosted on shinyapps.io. I can give this app a thumbnail and a description. But overall, I'll just create the app, and I can now see that that app has been added to my list of different apps here in our workspace. And I can go ahead and launch that at any time. I didn't add a thumbnail, so you'll see that there isn't a thumbnail here, but I did add thumbnails to some of these other apps that I had added previously. To launch an app, I'll just click this Launch App button, and now we'll see that rather than going to an external website, my Shiny app in this case just loads directly within Pluto. Again, this saves us time so that we aren't having to go to multiple different locations to really do what we need to do. In this case, that was just a basic Shiny app demonstrating how you can use Python with Shiny, but you can also work with apps such as Airtable databases, shown here. So this just loaded in an embedded Airtable view. If I'm managing data in Airtable and really want a convenient place to view that database or have other users within my organization view that data, this is a great way to achieve that. Other use cases that we might see for apps will be from a project management perspective, such as embedding your JIRA dashboard or Asana or other project management tool right here in Pluto, again, so that it's a convenient bookmark for your team. Apps do have some permissions associated with them, so only organization admins are able to edit apps and then archive existing apps, whereas other users within your organization can view apps that have been added but won't be able to archive and, let's say, unnecessarily delete one of the existing apps in your workspace. So that was a quick overview. There are a lot of different kinds of apps that can be embedded here in Pluto, and actually if you check out this help doc, you'll see a variety of different examples and inspiration for you to be able to try this out for yourself and give you some ideas of apps that you may already be using, Jupyter notebooks, or other kinds of products that you may want to embed in Pluto for convenience.